Hi! Today I am here to talk about IPSY glam bag. And if you're wondering what's IPSY, IPSY is a glam bag subscription that you take a little quiz online based on your skin tone, what color of makeup you wear, what tones you like, and which products you're interested in receiving like every month, every other month. And they send you 4 to 5 smaller size items unless you get the next level subscription, which I did not do. I just got the basic $12 subscription, and I actually struggled to get this because it said delivered at my front porch and I live in the back house, so there's no way that it could have been delivered. I contacted IPSY and they told me to give it some time. They told me that if I don't receive it within a few days of that mark, that they would send out another one. So luckily I received it and I'm excited to find out what's inside. If you want to find out what's inside of my June bag and if it's worth it, just keep watching. I'm ready. Okay, the bag is so cute. And we have, they really are so tiny, but they're cute. The first item we have is Auto Bomb Day to Night. It's so cute, looks like a little book. And it is this shimmery eyeshadow. Ooh, this is shimmery. I've swatched it on my eye. I can see me wearing it. It's cute. For just a little bit of extra, I think it's so cute. It's so tiny. I think I'll be wearing this. Next item. Ooh, Glow for Cause Lip Love. Yeah, Flirt. Oh, perfect for me. Here we go. Smells like bubblegum. And it feels nice on my lips. Okay. I do need as many lip balms as I can get because I'm always losing them. Next item. I really thought these were gonna be bigger, but they're still very cute. Next item is Nailodica Goddess Glow Hydrating Illuminator. This looks like a pinkish tone though, so let's test it out. Oh, it is pink. I did put a lot of blush today, so it might be harder to see it, but I can see it glowing on my fingers. I can see the glow. To be honest, it's really hard to see a highlighter on me. I think it's my skin tone is really pale. So any highlighter that I buy is usually, you can't even see it. So I can see it. It's a little bit subtle, but it's cute. So tiny. Look at this. Last item is the Roller Lash Benefit Black Mascara right here. Let's test it out. Okay, here we go. I mean, I already have some mascara, but oh, okay. I like it. Yeah, it's kind of curved. Neat. And yeah, I didn't put much of it. I could see it. And my last is Hey Honey, Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting. It's a face mask, okay? Hey honey, take away the drama. We totally need this right now with so much going on in the world. I will be trying this out tonight because I need it. Here's my welcome card. pretty much just welcomes me and tells me that I am able to choose one of my items so that I absolutely love it. And that is all. I think for $12 it's a pretty good buy, and if I really absolutely love any of the items, then it's good to know that I didn't have to purchase the big size bottle, because sometimes that's just a waste of money. So I'm very happy with my bag, and I'm excited to try all the products here. That is all for today. I do recommend it. I will be testing out the products and see if they're a good match for me. You guys, I had a really long weekend and I drowned my phone in the jacuzzi, and that's why I didn't post a video yesterday, which if you're watching today would be Tuesday. So there's moisture in my camera right there, so I'm not even allowed to use my camera. Like if I try to use my camera right here, that's what happens. So it's been a hard weekend, but thankfully I have this older phone that I'm recording in right now and making it work. I had a really hard time. I really wanted to post this on Monday, but it's been tough. So thank you guys for watching, and I actually already have the video for next week recorded, but hoping I can take it out of here. It's another mask tutorial. This one's I'm really excited about because it's super cute mask. In California, at least, in Los Angeles, we're still wearing masks, so if you are one of those people who still has to wear a mask, I will show you next week how to create a super cute one. Okay, I just went off for an extra minute, but thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!